On this ride along, a man wears a jail-colored shirt. An officer finds some treasure. And another says, whatever.
Whatever.
On Saturday, June 7th, a Jacksonville sheriff's deputy stopped an SUV with an unregistered tag.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm from Jacksonville Sheriff's Office.
Mm-hmm.
Is your vehicle in park?
Yes, it is.
Can you go ahead and hand me your driver's license, please?
Could you tell me why you put them over?
I stopped you because that tag is not a legal tag in the state of Florida.
Top 120 tag is showing no record.
That tag is not a
Yes, sir.
tag in the state of Florida?
No, sir.
Could you tell me what's the problem with it? Or?
It's not a tag assigned to a state of any kind in the state of Florida.
It's for Florida DOT tag. It's that if you run that, it comes up under DOT system.
I
It's
didn't
a
see
DOT
it.
number.
Okay.
That's
It
a
says
DOT
private property.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you have a registration that shows me something to that effect?
Well, I don't have any of my paperwork with me right now. I'm just
Okay.
leaving somewhere, but I'm
Okay.
not driving commercially.
Okay. Give me your driver's license.
I'm not in contract. I don't.
Listen, man. I'm not going to play this game.
Okay.
It doesn't work in YouTube videos, and it's not going to work here on the side of the road.
Well,
Okay.
just taking off that.
I need your identification.
Can I speak to you, Sergeant?
After you give me your identification.
I don't
Yes.
have any identification to give you. I
Okay.
don't want a contract with you.
Okay. What's your first name, sir?
I don't want.
Okay, I'm going to place you under arrest,
Okay,
and then
so
you'll have to
Miranda rights.
Absolutely. After I place you under arrest, yes, sir.
I need to turn everything on. I just don't want.
Go ahead and turn everything on. Yeah, from which one?
120.
Go ahead and step out, turn around, face the vehicle, please.
Sir,
Step out,
don't
turn
want
around,
a
and face the
contract.
vehicle.
I don't want a contract with you.
This isn't a contract. This is a one-way arrangement. I'm going to place you in handcuffs, okay?
Can you read me my Miranda rights?
Absolutely. Once I get you detained, then that's when I'm legally required to put your hand and to read your
Am I
Miranda
being
rights.
detained?
Longest 1033 Prop 120 at Children's Way in Palm Avenue.
Yes, sir, you are.
Am I-
And I'll read you your rights when I get to that, okay? I'm not questioning you at this point, okay? Alpha 120, I'm 77 for right now. Okay. Do me a favor, I need you to step out of the vehicle, turn around, place your hands behind your back. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
Not resisting.
66 1033 26 hours.
I understand that. I appreciate that.
And then 1015
Come on back here.
4106 Main Street.
I have the right to remain silent, right?
Yes, sir.
Like the channel? Subscribing makes this narrator feel extra special. After the pat-down, and as promised, the officer then read the man his Miranda rights, knowing full well where that was going.
If you can afford to hire an attorney who won't be appointed to represent you, no cost. You understand that?
I do.
Okay. You wish to remain silent right now?
Right, but I
Works
don't-
great for me.
I don't stand under anything you're saying.
Yeah, I'm not listening to none of that BS, man. I don't get.
And I understand you don't, but like I said, I'm going through something like this right now, so
Okay.
it'll be
Go ahead and have a seat.
That something is likely a DUI arrest he got in January 2025. The Florida Highway Patrol, which doesn't use BWCs, pulled him over for an expired tag, and that might explain why he now had this one. The officer would then put the man in the back of his patrol car and ask dispatch to send someone who had a fingerprint scanner his way.
Sir, oh, just turn and face inside for me.
to face this at.
Yes, sir.
I'm not submitting to any
Any what?
fingerprinting.
You're not, huh?
No.
You hear this? He refuses to be submitted to fingerprinting. You go to jail?
And I don't care. It doesn't matter if he
I know.
if he consents to it anyway. I'm just not gonna fight him here. They can fight him in the jail. Unless you want to fight him, I mean I'll do it.
How bad is he going to fight?
I don't know.
You can file a lawsuit, but we don't have to fingerprint you because we have to get you identified.
Can I speak to the sergeant?
He is a sergeant.
You know, the sergeant.
We have a right that you're on the roadway. We have to identify who you are. So since you're not willing to give us your name, we have to fingerprint you. There is no other way around it.
What I'm saying to you is, I'm not acting in commerce.
You're not what?
I'm not acting in commerce. I have a right to travel. My tag.
Okay, well you can tell that to the judge because you're going to jail.
Well, I understand. I'm not going to beat the ride. I'm going to beat the charge, but I'm not going to beat the ride. I
Well, that's
understand
between
that.
you and the judge.
He actually would get the charges dropped, but we'll get to that later.
But my tag showed that I am not acting in commerce. I have a right to travel.
Yeah, I understand all that. We've been through all this. That does not apply in the state of Florida or the United States of America. But you can get your judge and your attorney, y'all can sort that out.
According to the Constitution, it does, sir.
Are you a lawyer?
You're not gonna.
Are you a lawyer?
Are you a public servant?
Are you a lawyer?
Are you a public
Are
servant?
you a lawyer?
Are you a public servant?
You're not going to answer mine, I won't answer yours.
Are you gonna?
You want to answer mine, I'm not going to answer yours.
Are you gonna honor your oath?
You're not going to answer mine, I ain't going to answer yours.
Are
you a lawyer?
I'm an attorney in fact.
Attorney
Now,
in fact.
are you?
I'm an officer in fact.
Are you a public servant?
I am.
Are you duty bound?
Buddy, I'm not arguing with you. Are you gonna allow us to fingerprint you or no?
In good faith. I'm just asking you.
Okay, well, we're gonna
are
fingerprint you.
bound by your oath to the Constitution. That's all I'm asking.
Yes, and I am enforcing the state statutes of the city of Jacksonville and the state of Florida.
Statute?
Yes,
so
sir.
this is a statutory arrest?
Statutory arrest, yes, sir.
I have looked all through every constitution and it doesn't make
Are you driving
of
your motor vehicle on the roadway?
I am
Yes, sir.
not.
I'm not arguing with you. We're not arguing with you. You can talk to the judge about it.
I'm traveling, sir.
You can subpoena us, and we'll be glad to come for a depo and come to your hearing.
Again,
But at this point, you're being arrested for giving false information.
no, sir.
And you're yes,
I
sir.
haven't given any false information.
You haven't given us any information.
I reserve my rights, my Miranda rights. And Miranda
Okay, but
I reserve.
that's why we have to fingerprint you. That's why we're going to fingerprint you.
So that's a part of my rights. That
All right, how about so we can fingerprint you?
well, you can help me. You can
We'll help-
force
we'll
me
help.
to come out. You can kidnap me, but I'm not willingly doing it. You can go ahead and
You're-
kidnap me.
It's not kidnapping. You're under arrest. You're legally detained. You can't kidnap somebody that's detained, correct?
I have been detained.
Yes.
I've been lawfully detained.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I have been arrested.
You are under arrest.
I am under arrest.
Yes.
Do you know the difference
That is a
between under
detainment.
arrest and detainment? Do you know the difference?
Oh, absolutely.
Can you express the difference?
Absolutely.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
Can you express the difference between detained and under arrest?
You are not free to leave. You are under arrest. You are going to jail.
What's the difference between detained?
Detained. We are seeking probable cause to place you under arrest, and we're doing an investigation. You are no longer detained. We have proven to the fact that you have refused to give us your identification, and you refused a lawful order, and now you are being arrested.
Have I refused or have I just reserved my rights?
It's the same thing. You have to give us your name. We have to identify you on the state of Florida roadway. Yes, sir.
So reserving my rights.
Yes.
Because he Mirandized me. He gave me my rights. He said those are my rights. So I do have a right to remain silent.
You do.
All right. So how can that be converted into a crime?
Because you
My
have to
right
give us your
remain
name.
silent.
You have to give us your name and provide identification.
I have a right to remain
All right.
silent.
We'll just fingerprint you at the jail. Whatever.
The officers then converged on the man's SUV, where they found coins, shoes, luggage, an open, still-cold beer can, and a cell phone, which soon became a point of contention between the officer and the man.
My cell
I don't know that's your cell phone.
Okay. You're right.
I don't know who you are, and I don't know whose cell phone that is, so stay in the
You're
car.
right. You don't know who drinks those are either that you put up here.
Okay, well, you're getting charged with it.
Again,
Is
I know
anybody
I'm
else in the car?
You see anybody else in the car?
I did not.
You-
Are they
you-
still both cold?
You know how long
Are
they've
they
been
both
in
still cold?
there? I'm not sure. I'm not
Yeah.
sure if you placed them there.
Well,
or
I just
what.
touched them. They're both still cold. And it's captured on body cam.
Sure. You have your body cam on?
Absolutely.
Okay, so all this is being recorded?
Absolutely.
So,
Okay. We're going to be seizing your vehicle as well.
well, he told me that they will be impounding the vehicle.
No, seizing. Not impounding. We're seizing it.
Okay, so can you explain to me what that means?
Yeah, you'll get paperwork, and you'll have to go to a seizure hearing if you want to try to get it back.
Okay.
But right now, it's because it's property of Jacksonville Sheriff's Office because you were using it in the commission of a felony.
And what felony is that, sir?
You're driving on a habitual traffic offender license.
Habitual traffic offender license?
Yeah, that's a felony.
I haven't contracted. I don't
That's
have
a
a
felony.
license.
That's true. He once sent a letter to the DMV asking them to rescind both his license and ID card, which probably didn't have anything to do with him getting over 20 traffic-related tickets in the county over the previous 10 years.
Oh, I know. You have a felony habitual license on the state of Florida.
A felony habitual license.
Yes, sir.
And can you do you may know what statute is it for failing to identify?
That would be providing a false name or ID to a Leo. But since the man wasn't providing any information, the charge he eventually got was resisting without violence. He also got charged with duelis, attaching a license plate not assigned, and possession of an open container of alcohol in a motor vehicle. On July 16th, a month and a half later, the charges would be dropped, but this was likely due to the man pleading no contest that same day to the duelis and resisting charges he got from his January arrest. For that, he was sentenced to 40 days in jail. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.